According to Cherokee legend, Jatakula was a slant-eyed giant who lived high up in the Balsam Mountains. He guarded his hunting grounds from Jakuta's judgment seat, today known as Devil's Courthouse, a site reached from the Blue Ridge Parkway. Once a party of disrespectful hunters came through his land. Jakuta chased them down the mountain. With a mighty leap, the angry giant landed near the Caney Fork on a large boulder. He put his hand down to steady himself. He left his mark on the rock's surface. The impression of his hand can still be seen on the lower right of the rock. Jatakua's marks have also been seen on other boulders throughout the Cherokee lands, including near the mother town of Kituwa, a sacred and prominent Cherokee religious center. Used the drawing at the left to locate Jatakua's handprint and the other glyphs. And there it is.